do a wig install on Angelina's hair.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow.
So like I wash my hair, but
Take your glasses off real quick.
ain't really blow dry for them. Cause I was like, I don't know about all that.
Don't judge how this wig is gonna come out because
Y'all, shut up. She finna do good. Period.
honestly,
Get on my sister. She
Get
installed
it, it
her
come out
wig,
good.
but she got on
you
hand right
can't
now.
see it,
So yeah.
we can draw pictures.
I don't know about all that, but y'all getting
Are you thirsty?
my first wig install. I should show y'all, but like, should I? Yeah. But, y'all already know she braided my neck.
You right, just could have cornrowed your own hair.
I know I thought about it. I was like, nah, I'm good.
No, you should have did it. Okay,
like,
look at your hair getting long. I've used bald hay.
yeah, the only reason that it looked this short because I ain't blow dry for real, and so it's still weird. So we'll be back when she finishes braiding my hair because y'all don't want to see all this. I don't want to see all this, and I don't even want to edit all this. But yeah, we'll be back after she get done snatching my scalp, brain cells, all that away. Love you guys. No, just fine. We definitely ending the video. Oh yeah, hold on. Look at my gel braids. Stop playing.
They can't even see you. Need.
Oh, look at my gel braids. Stop playing.
I'm so weak.
She braiding my brain cells. She braiding. Oh, my brain cells. She braiding my brain cells. In the name of Jesus, she braided my brain cells.
Okay.
Jesus, yo, my scalp look that dry. We gotta put some oil on that, cause that ain't it. That's y'all problem now. Y'all hair ain't growing. You like, why my hair still the same length since I was 2? That's why. Put some oil in your scalp. Take care of your hair. Drink your water. Don't mind my little bump. It's like stalking y'all, but like, it's good. It's Gucci. I just know y'all ain't finna know who I am. But I just know y'all ain't finna know who I am after I put this wig on. Like, then I got my eyebrows did Sunday.
I'm cute. Even though I ain't got on no eyelashes.
Y'all, my gel braids almost done. Ooh, y'all, that oil feel that good on my scalp. That's what my scalp doing. Oh, let me show y'all the wig. Okay. Okay. Here you go. It's a closure wig. Thank you. But she made, y'all see how close she had them scissors to my face? I could have died. No, I'm just playing. I really look.
Don't let me.
Oh no, you good. But I really look like. Oh, look at that.
It's got to be.
Oh.
Okay, I'm finna debald you in a minute.
What if I was bald? Hey y'all, my name is Angelina. I actually wouldn't look bad bald. Look at me.
I see you. I've been seeing you. I want to get some, it's like a little bit better than Rose Bun.
Too cute. Y'all ain't finna know who I am. I don't know what y'all talking about. I don't know what y'all talking about. Like, I'm not finna know who I am. Y'all ain't gonna know who I am. Is that Angelina? Is that beautiful? Who knows? God, I'm really this cute. Like, look at the beautiful angel you have made. Like, baby, my wig's slipping.
I know. I'm trying to.
I hope y'all don't. I hope none of y'all friends let y'all go out with y'all wigs slipping like this.
Baby, I didn't know.
No, I'm talking about none of their friends.
Oh.
Cause if they do, they ain't your friend. y'all really ain't gonna be able to find the lace. Like, this hair has been growing out of my scalp for like 2 minutes. My name is Sarah. I am a sea. I am a CH. I am a CHRSCIN.
Is you that happy?
No, I was laughing at myself because I was making that face. Just wait till it's done. I'm not gonna know how to act. I'm just warning you guys now.
You already don't.
I'm just warning you now.
You're tired.
I look what? Cute. Jesus loves me, loves me. The Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me, this I know. Do I look good with a side part or do I look good with a middle part? There's a blessing in the house.
Wait. Oh.
I was gonna say, you just. Okay.
Put it back on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, I just thought about that. I look too cute. I don't know what y'all talking about.
I said too much.
You a hater. Like, real life. You a hater.
Jasmine, I'm catching yelling at me.
Her, but it is seriously something wrong with her. Like, and she was like, if y'all don't know, she was talking about, like, you know, like, black people be having, like, naps in the back of their head or whatever you want to call it, curlies or whatever. And so black people call that a kitchen. So, like, if the dishes in your kitchen dirty, then you got naps in the back of your head or, like, a whole bunch of curls in the back of your head. So, I was just like, oh, Jesus. That was too funny. We'll be back when the song is done and I got my lip gloss on. Okay, bye.
Oh, dude, look at you. He actually
Ooh. Period.
Did you show Dad his girl baby?
Dad, look at your grandchild. Child. Christina, look.
Well, shoot, you need to fix my baby edges.
Her baby edges.
Yeah.
Baby, I look
messed up.
too.
I ain't did them in a couple days.
Huh? Ooh! Okay, I'm sorry. Baby, your elbow a little ashy.
Ain't even on the back of my scalp.
I look
Cause see, I
so
like when they get more clumped together. You do, you really do.
Period.
Let me see you, Nina. Girl, you alright.
Girl, I know you lying.
You do look cute.
Period. I know. No, just want to thank you.
Hey, baby.
That girl said, I know.
Look at these edges. Y'all wish y'all had them. Where's the lace? I'm trying to find it. I'm really trying to find it. Like, I don't know what y'all talking about. What?
I'm glad you like it.
What you mean do I like it? I hate it. Hate it.
You hate that you
Because I love it. I play too much.
That's cute. You look so cute. Like, oh my gosh. And then it's like your skin glowing. And though. Cause he don't like me. Okay, look at you.
Lace where? Lace where? I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it.
Oh, I'm gonna
Oh, look at my doodle.
define your part some more.
Okay. Look at my doodle, y'all. This is my little nephew. Say hey. Hey, baby. Say hey, boo-boo. Say hey.
Clean your fingers.
Oh, wait, we already showed them my hair. Okay, Jasmine.
Bye, beauties.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Shout out to my sister. Follow her on her. Follow her on everything I'll put in the description. Yeah. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, you want to say it with me? You too, Chrissy, because you never in no videos.
Can't say it.
Bye.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.